Hi guys, my name is Din Ginzo from DinOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Tagzmania. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Tagzmania works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on October 28th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you'll be able to get access to the Tagzmania when this goes live. And the best part is you can get a discounted price for this digital product launch during this launch period of the Tagzmania. And this is a limited time offer, so you must act fast as the price will increase soon. Now, to get this discounted price, you can go ahead and click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and we'll show you how you can get this product from here, so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. And all you have to do is keep an eye onto my bonus banner and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Tagzmania. Now, to put this briefly, Tagzmania will teach you how to use hashtags effectively on your social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, one of my favorites, Tumblr, and so much more. Now, inside of this course, it's going to show you how you can use hashtags the right way, so you'll be able to get organic traffic and more people will view your offers to your social media. And a lot of newbie marketers out there use social media to market their offers, and they are struggling to use social media marketing because they lack sufficient followers. That's why Tagzmania will help them to level the playing field so that even brand new affiliates with zero followers will be able to get traffic with this technique and will be able to get leads and buyers from their affiliate links. Now, one of the benefits of Tagzmania is this is great for beginners and newbies who uses one of the top social media used for online marketing, and pretty much anyone can use and benefit this method if you want to learn more on how to use hashtags the right way so you can get more traffic to your social media. Also, this is great for getting organic traffic because you can easily get them fast. As soon as you post your offer, you will get this traffic instantly. And unlike paying ads, you have to wait for traffic to come to you. And this is just perfect for beginners out there or even experienced marketers so they can get organic traffic to their social media. Now I'm going to show you a walkthrough of the members area of the Tagzmania. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like inside of the members area. And over here under welcome video, this is Dawood Islam, and this is also Shelly Turner, and this is one of my friend. This is Nicaldo Harvey. So this is the three of them are partnered with this amazing product here. So you can feel free, go ahead and subscribe them to their YouTube channels here. All right, and then you can go ahead and join the Elite Tigers group of Facebook from Dawood Islam. And right here is the overview of the Tagzmania. So as you can see here, these are all video-based training. This is Nicaldo. He's gonna be welcoming you to the Tagzmania members area. Here is the main training section of the Tagzmania. This is the introduction to the training here. So as you can see, this is Nicaldo. He will be doing a video introduction to the training. What is a hashtag? So he's going to be explaining to you what a hashtag is and how you can properly use this on your social media. Here is the history of hashtags. So as you can see here, this is more in-depth description of hashtags and how it was begun. And also here is the hashtags basics, and he's going to be helping you explain furthermore about the importance of hashtags. So here is why use hashtags. So obviously you use hashtags, and if you have an Instagram and if you have used hashtags, then you know what I'm talking about. That's how you can get organic traffic. But with this method that you're gonna be learning from the Tagzmania, you will be able to use the correct hashtags so that you can get more organic traffic to your offers. And so this is Nicaldo. He's going to explain to you why use hashtag tips. Again, from Nicaldo, he'll explain to you more about it. Here is 6 ways to find hashtags here. Then module on one conclusion over here, and how to use the resources right over here in this section. This is Dawood Islam now, who's going to take over how you can get the resources of the hashtags. Now here is module 2 training, introduction to training module 2 from Nicaldo again. And here is the overview. Here a breakdown of module 2, how to use Twitter hashtags right over here. It's going to walk you through how you can properly use hashtags for Twitter. Then here is for Facebook hashtags here, how you can properly use it here. Yes, you're gonna have to learn how to use hashtags for Facebook, and I didn't even know that. So moving forward, I'm gonna be paying attention to this part because I do have a Facebook page and I want to take advantage of this hashtags on Facebook. Instagram hashtags, so better learn from him. Look at him, he's got followers, and this is just an easy way for you to start learning on how to get or how to use hashtags the proper way. Even YouTube, you gotta use and learn how to use hashtags in YouTube, so pay attention to this part if you guys have a YouTube account, of course. So learn from this. Also LinkedIn hashtags over here, he'll be explaining to you how you can properly use the LinkedIn hashtags here, and Pinterest as well. So right over here, as you can see, he's got all this secrets that he'll be sharing you how you can use the hashtags for Pinterest. And TikTok is the best. You get organic traffic quite easily because a lot of people are on TikTok, and so if you create all those short videos, then if you start adding hashtags, then you get all the traffic easily. So in my opinion, this is where the traffic is if you have TikTok. And also Tumblr as well. So as you can see here, he'll be showing you how you can properly use the Tumblr hashtags on this video. And then this is the module 2 conclusion here. So pretty much ties up to how you can use the hashtags for the social media, and that's so much more. And then we can go to the resources. So this is where you can check out the Brown Bear bargains here and the free squeeze pages for you to use, so that you can use this and then get more traffic with the hashtags of using to your on your social media. And then you can have this one so that you can take advantage of this free squeeze page. Here is the conclusion of the program here from Dawood Islam, and bonuses here. And don't forget, I also offer you my free bonuses like I mentioned earlier in this video. So they are free as soon as you pick them up onto my exclusive link down below in this video. Then also upgrades that I'll be explaining to you later. Take advantage of making sure that you read all my upgrades available posted onto my bonus page right down below in this video. And these are the unadvertised bonuses as well. Lots of bonuses with this offer. It's pretty amazing. And so this is what the Tagzmania all about. Now you get to see what an awesome and a lot of information that you're going to be learning how the hashtags works. And so pretty powerful. You should take advantage of getting this product soon during the launch period of Tagzmania. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Tagzmania, this is going to go live on October 28th. And that's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description of the video that comes through to my bonus page. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge. Even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, is only going to be $9.95 in price. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Right over here, you can go ahead and read all the information that are available for you to consider getting all the upgrades for the Tagzmania. As you can see here, these are all available for you to check out onto my bonus page. Make sure to read carefully for all these amazing upgrades for you to take advantage of, because this is going to help you in the long run. This is going to give you education, and education is important for you to learn more about the online marketing. So the saying, the more you learn, the more you earn. So make sure to take a look at the available upgrades over here, and you can get access to the upgrades as soon as you pick up Tagzmania's front end. It's going to prompt you to upgrade, or it's going to actually prompt you can actually check out over here as well. As soon as you pick up Tagzmania, right over here, you can go ahead and check that out in here as well. But it's better to take advantage of it as soon as you pick up the front end of Tagzmania here. So it's going to prompt you, and you can get more discount prices with the upgrades available for you to choose. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Tagzmania, I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you all my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in this video. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. And remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $9.95 during the launch period of Tagzmania. And once again, don't forget to check out all my bonuses, because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 31st. So make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $9.95 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Tagzmania review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video. Make sure to click the link below to purchase Tagzmania at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video. And thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on to my next video.